is tough. Middle school is, well, even tougher. You know what I'm talking about. How many times do you wish you could take back something you said or did? Imagine what life would be like if you had a remote control in your life. It might look a little something like this.
All right, kiddos, let's see what of yesterday's reading assignment. What did you think, Jane?
Well, I gotta tell you, I don't know what the big fuss is. So the girls gotta decide whether to drink this fountain and youth potion. It was kind of boring. The movie was much better, with Rory from the Gilmore Girls as the main character. She's so cool.
Jamie, this boring book, as you so casually refer to it, happens to be one of my favorites, with many literary and philosophical issues that a thoughtful middle school student would be eager to discuss. Yes, Muffy?
I, for one, was afraid life is a little messy, and the suspense that was running out of the endlessness of to drink or not to drink, and the ramifications on the world she knew.
Thank you, Muffy. It's students like you that give real purpose to teaching.
Freeze. Now, why did I have to be so outspoken? Let's take another shot at that and see if I can do better with the second chance. Play.
All right, male charges. Let's see the thought of yesterday's reading assignment. I was so gracious to give to you. Even though there was a fresh episode of Everyone On, you probably had soccer practice or any number of less adolescent activities. Yes, Muffy?
I followed great challenge to the fisherman's sweetheart. I mean, Amanda Raincoat. It reminds me of Harry George, only much more intellectual. It's insulting my intelligence, and anyone who saw any value in it must be devoid for any cause more sophisticated than a farm animal.
Muffy, I think I might have suspected more mature thinking from you. Perhaps you would benefit from some supplementary diagram exercises. Does anyone else have an opinion? Yes, Jamie?
Well, Mrs. Flukehart, I simply had to put the book down.
Do you mean you share Muffy's opinion?
Oh, no, ma'am. I was so moved by the young girl's plight that I became too emotionally distraught. I immediately sought out the counsel of my mother, who, of course, was reading the book along with me.
Did this help?
Oh, yes, ma'am. After we had a good old-fashioned crime session together, we put on our work clothes and cleaned out all of our closets. This made us both feel much better, and we then read the next several chapters together out loud.
That's remarkable.
We then wrote the author, Natalie Babbitt, a letter telling her how much we loved the book. I decided to become an author when I grow up.
Oh.
An author or an English teacher. Yep, a remote control sure would make things easier academically. But what about socially? Hi, John.
Hi. Hi there.
It's Jamie.
Huh? Where?
No, I'm Jamie. What you doing after school today?
I'll just probably play Super Mario Brothers for a couple of hours and then maybe clean the algae off my fish tank.
Sounds great. Rewind. Play. Hey, John, what's up?
Am I good? Now that you're around, you want to hit that Woody's for some ice cream?
Yeah, I guess so.
Did you see the game last night?
What game?
What game? The Tech Miami game, of course.
Oh, I guess they don't follow basketball that much.
Football.
Whatever. You ready for Woody's?
Hi guys,
Hi, Muffy. What are you up to?
nothing much. Been managed in the library.
Are you going to watch the game tonight?
I don't know much of that, but if I had on the t-shirt shirt to let him fish with it.
Say, do you want to come to Woody's, me and with us?
Freeze. definitely gotten out of hand. John may not be much of a catch, but ice cream is ice cream. Let's try this again. Play. Muffy, John, what's going on?
I was just going to go to the library.
Well, I love to read and learn new things, but tonight there's this game on that everyone's talking about, and I'd simply love to learn more about it.
Well, I can tell you everything you need to know. Nothing I like better than an 8-year student.
But it's so hard to learn on an empty stomach. I could sure go for something to eat.
So let's head down to Woody's, my tree.
Well, I don't know.
Woody's is nowhere near the library. We'd be taking our way. See you later, Muffy.
Freeze. Now that's more like it. But what happens after ice cream? You know, that all-important, very awkward first visit to the house. Let's see. Play.
You've got a nice place here. Now we can watch that football game.
Sometimes just a little fine-tuning helps. Adjust image.
On second thought, maybe you'd like to watch a movie, like Sleepless in Seattle, or The Notebook, or Sisterhood of the Traveling Pants.
Yeah, I think we're going to get along fine.
So, would you like to watch a movie? What?
I don't know, which one do you want to watch?
Well, I gave you 30.
I'm gonna go try and find it.
Okay.
Hey, Jamie, is this your boyfriend?
Oh, we're just friends, Trish.
Oh, we're a bit more than that.
Because, gosh, was it just yesterday or the day before that boy with the beard was here with you and...
Beard?
Yeah, and you were saying all that stuff about, I hope we can still be friends, and he said, friends. Didn't that slow dance mean anything?
Slow dancing? Yesterday? Beard?
Trisha, don't you have some homework to do or some Barbies to play with?
Well, I guess I could fold some laundry. Mom said your underwear has been in the dryer for...
Freeze. Now, if this little sister reminds you of anyone in your house, you have my deepest sympathy. In the meantime, let's see this scene as it should be played out. Play.
Hi, Jamie. How was school? I finished doing your laundry. I was going to watch some Zoe 101 here, but if you'd rather I go in my room and pretend I'm not here, I can do that.
Wow, what a great little sister you have.
Oh, she's just like an actress who can nail a performance in one take. There are no outtakes with good old Trisha Rue.
All right, then. I'll be going. I'll just be staring out my window. I'll have the radio up loud so I won't hear what you're talking about. If you want me to get you a snack or something, just knock on my door and I'll come out and whip something up. I won't come in or anything.
Gee, thanks, Trisha.
Oh, it's my pleasure. Oh, I'm so very sorry.
I hope it's all right.
You know, Trisha, you can just stay here and watch TV with us.
Oh, I don't know. You might be watching something inappropriate for me.
I was thinking about catching some Zoe 101 or SpongeBob SquarePants.
Great. You know, maybe before we watch Zoe, I can pop in the family video of Jamie's 5th birthday party. You'll love the part where Jamie is trying on the outfit that Aunt Betty gave her. She hated it so much that she took the thing off and ran around.
No!
Freeze. This will be great. I always want to be part of the action. Play.
Hey, I have an idea. Give me the phone and I'll call Muffy so she can come over and join us.
Great idea. I'll be right back.
You know, maybe these things aren't such a good idea after all.